Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to change time zone on Windows 10 and guide you through every step so your system shows the correct time. Step 1. Open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. You can also right-click on Start and select Settings from the menu, which will open the main settings window where all your system options are located. Step 2. Once you are in the settings window, click on Time and Language. This section allows you to manage your system time, date, region, and language preferences. Step 3. Select either time zone or date and time. Both options lead to the same menu where you can view and modify your current time zone settings, making it easier to manage time accurately on your computer. Step 4. If you notice that the time zone option is grayed out, it means Windows is currently set to adjust the time zone automatically. Simply turn off Set Time Zone Automatically to unlock the drop-down menu. Step 5. Click on the Time Zone drop-down menu and choose your desired time zone. This ensures your computer displays the correct local time, which is important for meetings, updates, and other time-sensitive tasks. Step 6. After selecting the correct time zone, you can simply close the settings window. Your changes will be saved automatically, and your computer will now display the new time zone correctly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.